Hey guys, welcome to another math video. This is going over the mid-chapter checkpoint for chapter 9. So far we've covered some line plots, line graphs, and graphing with ordered pairs. And we've also talked a lot about some vocabulary words. So when you're doing 1 and 2, make sure you go back to the beginning of your book and look up these words to figure out which one goes in here. You guys have your books, so go back into your books, go back into your math notebooks and figure out which one goes where. And then let's look down at the next section here. Okay, for 3 through 5, you're going to be using this line plot right here, and it's basically just using the information that they give you to answer the questions. Now, on number 4, they ask you to find the combined weight of all the kittens. Another word for combined, we could just say total. What is the total weight of all the kittens? So again, if you don't remember how to do this, go back to 9.1. That's where you'll find this information. And to find the total, you're going to be adding up all of the 1/4, all of the 3/8, all of the 1/2, and all of the 5/8. And in 9.1, we talked about a faster way to do that. I'll give you a hint. It has some multiplication involved too, which we know how to do. So if you don't remember how to do that, go back into your math notebook, go back to 9.1, and take a look at that. Okay? And then whatever number you find for this one, you're going to be using a number 5. Because they ask you for the average. And we talked a little bit about that word average in 9.1. It means the total divided by the number that you have. So in this case, we will be dividing the total weight by the number of kittens. How many kittens are there? That's going to give you the average weight, total divided by the number that you have. And that's the same equation no matter what you're working on. If you're doing land area and you're wanting to know how many, what the average of this person's land would be, you could do it for that, just like you're doing it here. Okay? The next section is from 9.2, I believe. Yes, from 9.2. This was probably the easiest one with our graphing so far, but if you get stuck on there, go back to the 9.2 video, take a look at that, or go back into your notes as well, because we did have this in our notes. This is the most fun part of graphing, I think. I really enjoy doing coordinate planes and stuff. For this back page, this is pretty much just interpreting the graphs, answering some questions about them. If you're not quite sure, use cups. Look for important keywords, numbers. Figure out the question, what are they asking you for, make a plan, and then solve and check. Okay? Go back and watch those other videos if you get stuck, and if you really get stuck, make sure that you let me know. You guys can email me. You know how to do that now. You have your own emails. So get a hold of me. Ask questions if you get stuck. Okay? I'll see you guys later.